Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook professional mode option that is not showing or missing in your phone. So first of all we will have to go to the Play Store and here we have to search Facebook, okay? And after searching it we have to make sure that we have to update this app. So after updating the app, this will fix your problem, but if it doesn't, then you have to go down and you have to join the beta version. Okay, so in this beta version, whatever the new feature is going to come into the Facebook, the beta version you can test them, right? And you can just give them feedback. In this way you can get that feature, but somehow if you even didn't got this feature, you have to just click and hold and you have to go to the app info. From the settings you can also, right? So we have to click on the storage usage here, and after that we have to clear all the cache, okay? And after that we have to clear all the data. So after clearing all the data you have to re-log in into the mobile application. Okay, so this is a solution, but guys, if you didn't find that, then you can just download a third-party app, that is Meta Professional app. As you can see here guys, on the search bar I have wrote Facebook Manager, and after that you can download this Meta Business Suite, and after that you will get a new app which is basically official app of Facebook, right, from official app of Beta. And after that you can connect all your professional Instagram account or Facebook account, your pages and all that, and you can handle at one place. So this is pretty easy guys. I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did, like this video, subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.